Got a great day of magnet fishing ahead for you folks. Brother came out and joined me today. Didn't find a whole lot other than a cool pair of tin snips here. But I did run into my first stuck magnet encounter. Stay tuned for that. What's up, you magnet fishing aficionados? I think you'll recognize this spot here a couple weekends ago. Gonna give it a few more tosses today. Found a big chunk of rebar on my last throw when I was here last, so I'm gonna toss it off this direction over here. See if we can find some old stuff over here.
I think I got up to about here.
I wonder how old those are. The edge is pretty corroded. They still swing. Well, not a ton of luck over here. A lot of junk, corroded steel, sheet pile. Did get my first set of clippers, snippers, and then a couple dock relics of some sort. We're gonna go over to the other side.
I've seen them like rig up 2 or 3 different magnets.
Yeah. There's that. There's that like double clasp that you can stick to double-sided, and it has like a couple inches in between.
And you get stronger the more magnets you have.
always finding these around here, and I have no idea what they are. Another nail. Oh, rust.
Other square feet that are not being used in the house. Wonder we started to get it. I'm already out of there. It's been 3 years now I've been there. Oh, you got something!
So we had to find something and we could go to the next spot! We found something! Oh, it's a piece of an old metal rack or basket or something. Something of non-value, but still exciting to me. Alright. Hang in there. Pieces of gold. Oh. Okay. Next spot. Oh, yeah. Well, it was just a matter of time before we got her stuck. Jordan's got a little bit more pull force than I do, so he's tapped into what he can get out. What we're confused by is that it's pretty much latched in on all sides.
At least it's warm. Got it.
Really? Yeah. No way.
Next time you get your own magnet.
I tried and I tried and I failed. Well, look at those pipes on you, bud.
Never leave no
Look, give us a
behind.
flex right there. Yeah. Let's see if I can get it stuck again.